Okay. Hey guys, today we're gonna have 3 tornadoes today. And it's gonna be crazy. And so let's get my camper in here. Thank you, Trailer Spawner. And he's gonna go home. And he's gonna move to another country one day. Then we got a Chevy with 2 exhausters on the back. There we go. Right here. Nope, you can't go right here. Go right here. Right here. There we go. Now we're gonna go find a place somewhere. Woo! Let's go down here. So this whole, never mind. Just mud down here. And the muddy down there. Okay, there we go. Gonna park right here. And we're going to do it. Now we just have to come in here. Bed looks muddy inside. Yep. Just gonna close the door. Lights are on. Now let's take this ramp over. And look at this bright sunny day. Bright sunny day every day. Why did it start raining? Is that a tornado? Another one! There's another one in front of me. Oh no. Take this thing up. Take that thing up. Woo! Bro, I almost got caught by that. Bro, there's 2 tornadoes coming here. There's 2 tornadoes. No, wow! Do this one. Oh, what kind of tornadoes are those? We'll get closer look. That one's going over there. And that one's going over there. This is not good. I need to go somewhere ASAP. Oh, what the ramp. Raise this ramp. So stop right here. And raise it all the way. We're going somewhere else. And by the way, we need to get this thing clean after this big old thing. Oh my god, why I keep forgetting this? Oh, I already shut the door. Well, it's time to get it dark. Now it's time to go. Time to go in. Ooh, turn this bad boy. Turn it. Yeah. There we go. We're gonna put more mud out there. And Chevy can't make it. These tornadoes are distracted. I need to get out. Okay. This is we're escaping this place. Oh, boom. Lights on. Okay. I'm gonna go without light. Oh. Well, I gotta go in this thing quick. Okay. Flame. That's not go. Oh. Okay. Good thing they're done. Gotta go somewhere else. Phew. I gotta go. Hold on, turn it. Oh, now they're catching up to me. They saw me. Saw me running. I have to go fast as I can. Go right on my tail. They're right on my tail. Gotta go. Dude, I'm turning the other way. They're coming up to me. Jeez. Here. Come this way. Oh! I blocked my path. Whoa! Why they block my path? Don't, I was supposed to get on this road. Well, dang it. Here, gotta go. Keep going. Got to go. Oh. Gotta go, gotta go. Already down here. Okay. I'll see you guys when the storm is over. Okay, I'll see you guys. Okay guys, the storm has calmed down. Whew. I'm just gonna stay here. Just gonna move somewhere else. There we go. We're getting going. There's big old smoke in the back. Whoa! Ooh! Jeez, that was a tornado. Well, that's gonna be it for this, guys. Or I'm just gonna keep going. We're just gonna keep going. Well, they said that another one's gonna come in 6 minutes, so I gotta go somewhere high. Gotta go somewhere. No! Man. Look over. Oh man. Oh man, I can't get up. I can't get up. So there we go. Yay! Get up. I forgot the hurricane's gonna come in 7 minutes, so I better hurry. What did I say, 6 minutes? I don't have good breaks on this one. You want to oh, gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna be standing right here. So I'm gonna go in and hurry up. Oh guys, storm has started. I'm going. No. No. Okay, I'm going in. Jeez, so I gotta hurry in. Oh, there's a whole tornado right there. I'm scared. Plane's going in the water. There's another one. 3 doubles right there. God. Oh man. Man, what gonna do? What I gotta do? The lights. Oh, I turned off. Oh wait, the lights were been off. Oh. The sun came up by itself. Let's go. Finally! Thank you, Jesus. Let's go. Now, time to put the stairs up. Put this away. Yeah, that's it. There's no more tornadoes. But I think next video is gonna be a category 6 tornado. But if you guys had a fun day on this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button. See y'all. Bye.